然后能见度很高。我们今天来到这个学校，这个 club 这个航校，然后来学开飞机。然后今天主要开飞机的是我老公 Steve， 然后我呢主要就在后面 enjoy， 就是享受他开飞机的过程。这个
But the way we charge you is from the time we start the engine until. Do you want to see when I do the walk around when I check the airplane?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, we can all go and check our airplane, make sure it's in good condition.
Okay. Yeah, that's the. 我们要去检查飞机。So this is Cessna 172, right?
Yeah.
这是 C1。
小小的。
And as you can see, every airplane has a name on the side. This one is Foxtrot, November Foxtrot Delta.
Okay.
Okay. So the first thing we want to do is we want to do a cockpit check. So I'll go inside and I'll remove the control lock. The control lock is a pin that goes into the yoke there, so that the control surfaces won't move. But I've already moved it this morning.
Okay.
Keys on dash. The keys on in the club will bring it on. So good. And then we're going to do the fuel selector. Switch, turn it to the left.
Just turn.
Yeah.
To where? All the way to here.
Yeah. Okay, good. And then fire extinguisher check. We have a fire extinguisher between our seats. Make sure it's in the green.
Okay.
And then it's properly secured.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So that's the rudder.
Yeah, that's the rudder pedal. And then usually we check the documents. So the documents meaning insurance, bolts and nuts are in place.
检查这些东西。
Okay. And I'll check underneath. Everything looks good. It's a little bit dirty, but it's fine.
上飞机了。
哇，我还给你拍照。
是仪表、操纵杆，
老公，来，你，
还有小猫猫。
我也要录一下。哎，这是我跟我老公一起第一次开飞机，他第一次开飞机，我第一次坐他开的飞机。然后待会儿有教练过来。
目标温哥华。上飞机。
Seat belt here.
So where is the backhoe?
Should be on this side. It's in front of the fire extinguisher. You see it?
Oh, okay.
You know lots of things, sir.
Oh, I've seen a lot, but first time try. So.
Okay, I'm going to lock this.